Okay, you guys, we are going to be doing a little bit of an arm workout today. This is just a short and sweet 5 to 10 minute workout. We're going to be doing 5 different exercises here. Each are going to be 60 seconds each. Just do them along with me. Okay, before we get started, let's just warm up those arms. Let's just do some jumping. And shake it off. Let's get started. All right, let's get started with the Arnold press. Going to be doing this about 60 seconds or so. Notice how I keep it slow and controlled, squeezing all the arm muscles. And I'm just rotating for you to see the angles. You do not have to move. And moving on to the next exercise, these are the around the worlds, and notice I did have to go lower in my weight because it gets pretty hard. Notice the grip of my palms. You're really going to feel this one in your shoulder area, in your chest, and all the above. Feel the burn. Moving on to what we call a Zottman curl. You're going to curl up with the bicep and then turn the wrist at the top and go down. And again, doing this exercise for about 60 seconds now. I want you to be squeezing the bicep on the way up and squeezing the tricep on the way down. And then moving on to this 3-step back exercise. Lift and squeeze up, lift and squeeze out, and pull it back. And again, I'm just rotating to show you the angles. All right, and moving on to the next exercise. This one's going to be working a little bit of your chest, triceps, all the above. So you're going to do a chest press, chest fly, and bring it down. Chest press, chest fly, and squeeze that tricep when you bring it down. All right, take a second to rest, get a sip of water, because we are repeating now. Straight back into the Arnold press. We're going to be doing each of those 5 exercises all over again. 3 more, 3 and 2 and 1. Moving on to the next exercise. Slow and controlled, squeezing the bicep on the way up, squeezing the tricep on the way down. Awesome job. Now moving on to that 3-step back extension exercise. Alrighty, and now moving on to the chest and tricep exercise. And that is it for today's short and sweet workout. Feel free to repeat this, do it again.